Hello students, this video is for the students of class 1 and the subject is GK. Today we will learn about wild animals and domestic animals. Types of animals. There are many types of animals like farm animals, domestic animals, wild animals, and sea or water animals, extinct animals, and endangered animals. Some animals are called herbivorous, carnivorous, and some are called omnivorous. Wild animals are those animals that can't be kept as a pet. They live in jungle or a forest. Example: lion, tiger, giraffe or a bear. Wild animals live in a habitat which is their natural home. Natural home means a rainforest, a mountain, a pine tree forest or a beach. We can find wild animals in zoo as well. Wild animals are dangerous and fierce. A lion lives in a jungle habitat in nature and does not spend time with people. So, it is called a wild animal. A dog or a cat lives in a house and is tame. So, it is not a wild animal. Indian wild forests and national parks are home to many species of wild animals, birds, and reptiles. More than 25% of land of Indian states are covered with dense forest and provide shelter to the wildlife. Let's discuss about few wild animals of India. Bengal tiger. The Bengal tiger is the second largest species of wild cat after the Siberian tiger and also the national animal of India. Indian elephant. The great Indian elephant is the biggest and tallest herbivore wild animal in India. The largest population of Asiatic elephants are found in South India. They are also used for riding purposes. Indian rhinoceros. Indian rhinoceros are also called Great Indian Rhinoceros and are native to the Indian subcontinent, primarily found in northeastern states of India. Pobitara Wildlife Sanctuary and Kaziranga National Park shelters the highest density of Indian rhinos in the world. Asiatic lion. Indian lions are one of the fine big cats found in India and one of the largest of Indian cat. It lives as a single population in Gujarat. The habitat area of Asiatic lion is very small. They survive today only in the Gir National Park of Gujarat and only about 411 lions are left in the wild forest of Junagadh. They are also known as the king of the jungle. Indian leopard. Indian leopards are known for their ability of climbing the trees and powerful swimmers. The leopards share habitat with each other predators, but they are also threatened by loss of habitat and fragmentation. Now, let's look at few pictures of wild animals. Squirrel, chipmunk, porcupine, hedgehog, possum, meerkat, otter, raccoon, hyena, jackal, fox, monkey, panda, deer, black leopard, wombat, kangaroo, koala bear, tiger, cheetah, zebra, jaguar, wolf, elephant, giraffe, chimpanzee, gorilla, hippopotamus, rhinoceros. Now, children, let's solve the exercises on page number 4 in your textbook. Wild animals. Look at the picture of the wild animals. Tick their correct names. First picture, children, there are two options given. You have to select any one. First picture, horse or zebra. This is the picture of zebra. Second picture, wolf or fox. This is the picture of wolf. Third picture, bear or panda. This is the picture of bear. Fourth picture, elephant or giraffe. This is the picture of elephant. Fifth picture, hippopotamus or rhinoceros. This is the children picture of rhinoceros. Last picture, bison or deer. This is the picture of deer. So, children, today we have learnt about wild animals. Now, we are going to study about domestic animals. Domestic animals are those animals that depend on humans for their shelter, food, water, and general care. Domestic animals are also known as pet animals that are kept for companionship and amusement. Examples: dog, cat, parrot, rabbit, etc. These animals do not harm anyone. These animals are reared at farms for a purpose, that is, for their meat, milk, hair, or anything else. The animals which are reared are sheep, goat, cow, buffalo, chicken, etc. Let's now talk about few domestic animals. Dogs. The first animal species to become domesticated was the dog. Dogs are known as the best friends of human. They are known to be very faithful. Horses. Horses were also domesticated and is tamed in different parts of the world. Horses are grass grazers. They are used as vehicles for traveling. They are known for their speed. Cow. Cow is a very common domestic animal. It is used for the purpose of cattle rearing as it provides us with milk, meat, hides, and many more. Rabbits. Rabbits make great pets. In general, rabbits require appropriate housing, exercise, socialization, and diet for good welfare. Rabbits are loved by the children. Now, let's look at few pictures of domestic animals. Cat, rabbit, rat, sheep, dog, cow, ox, buffalo, donkey, goat, camel, bull, horse, pig, mule. Children, now we are going to solve the exercises on page number 6 of the textbook. Domestic animals. Animals that can be tamed by humans and kept at homes or farms are called domestic animals. Match the following pictures of domestic animals with their names. Children, there are 6 pictures given. Number 1 picture is of donkey. Number 2, goat. Number 3, sheep. Number 4, camel. Number 5, horse. Number 6 is cow. So, you have to match the pictures with their given names. Now children, let's discuss a little more. I am going to tell you a few interesting facts about animals. Ducks, geese, hens, and turkeys are some of the birds that are raised on a farm. Baby elephants suck their trunks for comfort. It is known that cats don't meow as a way to communicate with each other. It's a method they use for getting attention from humans. Flamingos are naturally white. Their diet of brine shrimp and algae turns them pink. A baby puffin is called a puffling. Some cats are allergic to humans. Despite their lack of visible ears, penguins have excellent hearing capacity. Parakeets are small to medium-sized varieties of parrots, often kept as pets by people. They mainly feed on vegetables, fruits, grains, and seeds. They are intelligent enough to learn to imitate human sounds. So, children, today we studied about wild animals and domestic animals. I hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you, children.